Hey there, Workshop Whisperer fans, it's Rachel Sheldrick here, and I help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. Today's video is about whether or not you need to find more customers right now, or whether you need to improve the systems inside your existing business so that the business performs more efficiently and is more productive. Now, going and finding more new customers seems like the magic pill, right? If you just found more customers, you'd make more money and it would be happy days. Unfortunately, for most workshop owners that think that way, finding more customers means you are tipping more people into an already inefficient and unproductive system, which achieves the exact same profit result that you're achieving right now. Across the board, most auto repair shop owners achieve a net profit of only 3 to 5%, a long way from the 18 to 22% that we'd love to see you achieve. So what you need to work on first, if you're thinking that you just need more new customers, are your internal systems. We need to be looking at what is the bottleneck for your efficiency, what's stopping you from selling all of your available hours. For some of you new to business or new to ownership of an existing business, sure, more customers is going to make a big difference to you. But for the majority that have been in business for a while, you're not actually making the most of every opportunity on every vehicle that you have in the workshop. More cars does not equal more profit. In fact, as I've been working with my engine room clients on for the last little while, more cars can actually decrease your profit result across the board. So we need to be looking at the things that are actually preventing a good profit result. If you'd like to know more, make sure you jump over to Under the Hood with Rachel Sheldrick, my free Facebook group, where we're having discussions that could improve the growth of your auto repair business every day. See you again soon.